Babies are born into a world of tight competition these days. Right from birth, they get compared with their peers regarding the weight, the height, the length, everything. And then there is a competition item between the grandparents where they start comparing the developmental milestones of their daughter and their son. And this is the image that is there in the head of the parents. So they have unrealistic targets for the baby, and this gives immense pressure on the baby for performance, and they are forced to do things which they are not even capable of thinking of. The stages of development has got a flow, and there's a normal range for all the developmental milestones, and there is a rate of growth as well. In this video, I'm trying to tell about this. Any baby passes through certain stages of development. Infancy 0 to 1 year, toddler 1 to 3 years, preschool 3 to 5 years, middle childhood 6 to 10 years, adolescence 10 to 19 years. The changes in physical parameters is called growth. And any child is compared with their peers, and there are WHO growth charts for this. And WHO growth charts are devised after studying and comparing around 10,000 kids from different countries and different continents. So as per that, at birth, a child is supposed to weigh between 2.5 to 4 kg. The length should be between 46 to 53 centimeters. The head circumference should be between 33 to 37 centimeters. The maximum growth occurs in the first year of life. The weight increases around 6 to 8 kg in the first year. And the rate of weight gain is different from month to month. In the first 3 months, the weight gain is around 1 kg per month. The next 3 months, it's around 500 gram per month. And the next 6 months, it's around 250 gram per month. The length overall change is around 20 to 30 centimeters. 2.5 centimeter per month for first 6 months, and then 1.5 centimeter per month for next 6 months. The head circumference change is around 8 to 12 centimeters from birth. So at 1 year of life, the baby is around 8 to 12 kg. Length is around 73 to 77 centimeters, and head circumference around 44 to 46 centimeters. Coming to toddler and preschool age group, that is 1 to 5 years, the weight gain is around 2 kg per year when compared to 6 to 8 kg in the first year. The length gain is around 10 centimeter per year. Head circumference is 2 centimeter in the second year, and then from then on around 1 centimeter per year. So in this age group, the nutritional need decreases, the appetite decreases. They become very choosy and picky eaters, and the physique of the child changes. The baby's length increases, and the weight gain is not as much as the increase in length. So the baby looks thinner, and along with the decreased appetite, the parents are very much concerned about the baby's food and food habits and also the growth. From 6 to 10 years, the weight gain is around 3 to 3.5 kg per year, and the length gain is around 6 to 7 centimeters per year. The head circumference gain is only 2 centimeter over next 5 years. That is, from 6 to 10 years, the head circumference is only 2 centimeters. Adolescence, that is 10 to 19 years, there is a growth spurt. The length and weight increases considerably. The milestones that the child achieves is termed as development. Development is a continuous process right from conception to maturity of the nervous system. And it depends on the myelination and maturation of the brain and the rest of the nervous system. The sequence is the same, but the rate varies. It is always in the cephalocaudal direction. Each milestone starts from the head and then progresses downwards. There are few primitive reflexes in the baby which have to disappear, only after which they have a voluntary control over that particular movement. For example, when the baby turns the head to one side, their hand on that side, hand and lower limb on that side extends. As long as that reflex persists, that is around 3 to 4 months of age, the baby cannot turn over. So once that reflex disappears, the baby can turn the head without extending the hand. The baby is able to turn over to that particular side. The rate of development of a child depends mainly on the genetics of the child. And also, now there are studies which shows that epigenetics also have got a major influence. Epigenetics is basically the environmental influence on the child's development. The physical factors, nutritional factors, emotional factors, and the socio-cultural factors. So stage of development at birth, the baby is in supine position, always lying down. Up to 2 months that continues. From 3 to 6 months, the baby turns over. From 6 to 9 months, the child starts sitting. From 1 year onwards, the baby starts standing and then running. By 3 years, the child starts communicating well, and by 4 to 5 years, the baby is ready to go to school. How to stimulate development of a child? From 0 to 6 months, allow them to see you, hear you, and feel you, because that is the most attractive thing for them at that point of time. Give them a rattle so that sound attracts them. Smile and talk to them to improve their communication skills. 6 months to 9 months, allow them to handle, bang and drop things. Household items are good enough toys for them at that age. Call them by name and respond to the sounds they make. 9 months to 12 months, play hide and seek, teach them to clap, show them parts of dolls, teach them names, teach them to show tata and bye-bye. 12 months to 24 months, encourage them to take and put things into containers. Give them stacking toys. Ask them questions, talk to them about the things around us. From 24 months onwards, name objects. Teach them to count. Play puzzles with shapes and colors with them. Encourage them to tell stories and sing rhymes. Encourage them to ask questions. There are certain milestones they are expected to achieve in certain age. So we divide them into 4 major domains. Gross motor, which is done with their whole body. Fine motor, which is done with their fingers, and mainly it depends on the hand-eye coordination. Social skills and communication, and then language per se. At 1.5 months, they may have partial head control, they may regard objects, and they may have social smile. They may turn to sound when they hear something. At 2.5 months, they have got better head control. They start following objects. They have recognition smile. At 1.5 months, 2 months, they smile to anyone who smiled to them. By 2.5, 3 months, they develop recognition smile. They start recognizing them, their parents and grandparents. They start localizing sound. They start turning towards the exact location where they heard the sound. By 3.5 months, their head control is complete. They start mouthing. They start taking things, picking things and putting in the mouth. Their recognition smile becomes full-fledged. They start making sound, cooing sounds. By 6 months, they start rolling over. They may sit momentarily once they are helped to sit in a position with support. They start hand-to-hand transfer. They smile looking at the mirror. They may babble and make monosyllables like ba, da, ma, sounds like that. By 9 months, they learn to crawl and then to creep. They may pull to stand. They develop pincer grasp. They start taking objects with 2 fingers. They are able to play hide and seek and show tata. They may repeat the sounds and make bisyllables, and they may imitate sounds. By 12 months, they walk with support. They release objects when asked to. They come when they are called, and they start telling 2 words. By 15 months, they start walking backwards. They start feeding from the cup. They start mimicking actions, and they may talk up to 5 words. By 18 months, they start running and they climb with support. They start feeding with spoon. They inform once they pass urine, and they start talking around 10 words. By 24 months, they start climbing with 2 feet per step. They start turning pages. They develop bowel control. They start talking simple sentences. By 36 months, they start climbing 1 foot per step. They start riding tricycles. They start learning drawing circles. And they start talking 3-word sentences. Basically, 2-word sentences by 2 years and 3-word sentences by 3 years. By 48 months, they start skipping on 1 foot. They start drawing cross. They start attending toilet alone, and they start telling stories. By 5 years, they start jumping with both the feet in air. They start drawing triangles, and they start telling their age. There are certain danger signs, mandatory milestones they are supposed to achieve. By 4 months, if they don't have eye contact, if they have no social smile, they always keep their hands fisted. They have got head lag. When you pull the child, the head is always lagging behind. They have primitive reflexes. Then it's a concern. By 9 months, if they still have poor eye contact, lack of interest in environment, inappropriate response to sound, no making babbling sounds at all, unable to sit without support, they develop handedness, they already have preference to left hand or right hand, then it's a matter of concern. By 15 to 18 months, they are unable to walk without support. They have got abnormal tone, very tight or very loose. They have not developed pincer grasp. They have not started picking objects with 2 fingers. They have got language delay. Then it's a concern. So in these cases, you need to get medical help. So hope this video helps you in setting realistic targets as far as growth and development of your baby is concerned. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.